Welcome back to Educators. Ready for a challenge? I'm going to give you 20 words to spell from easy to hard, and you'll have 10 seconds to either write them down or shout them out. Feel free to pause if you need more time. Alright, let's start. The first word is dye. He decided to wear a tie-dye shirt today. Spell the word dye. You've got it. It's D-Y-E. The next word is glisten. The gem began to glisten under the sun. Correct. It's G-L-I-S-T-E-N. Next word is height. He measured his height to see if he grew. Excellent. It's H-E-I-G-H-T. The next word is jewelry. She placed her jewelry back on the display stand. Perfect. It's J-E-W-E-L-R-Y. The last easy word is achieve. I hope you achieve your academic goals. Yes, it's A-C-H-I-E-V-E. You're doing great. Now, let's step up the challenge. The next word is gourmet. He prepared a gourmet meal that impressed all his guests. Right on. It's G-O-U-R-M-E-T. Next up, committee. The committee met to discuss the new proposal. Correct. It's C-O-M-M-I-T-T-E. The next word is patience. Patience is the key to mastering any skill. That's right. It's P-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. Next is boulevard. Cars drove along the boulevard to go through the city. Right again. It's B-O-U-L-E-V-A-R-D. Next word is brilliant. She came up with a brilliant idea on how to solve a problem. Yep, it's B-R-I-L-L-I-A-N-T. Halfway done. Let's move on to harder words. Let's go with pharaoh. Archaeologists uncovered the tomb of a long-lost pharaoh. Did you get it? It's P-H-A-R-A-O-H. Next up, colleagues. The colleagues worked together to finish the report on time. Nailed it. It's C-O-L-L-E-A-G-U-E-S. Let's go with appetite. She felt sick and completely lost her appetite. Correct. It's A-P-P-E-T-I-T. The next word is silhouette. The artist sketched a silhouette portrait of her. Bingo! It's silhouette. Next up is anniversary. Every year, the couple celebrates their wedding anniversary. You've got it. It's anniversary. Amazing! You've made it this far. Now let's see how you do with advanced words. The next word is aperture. The photographer changed the aperture to capture a sharper image. You've got it. It's aperture. The next word is prejudice. His decision was influenced more by prejudice than by facts. Yes, it's prejudice. Next up is catastrophe. The tornado turned into a catastrophe for the small town. Did you get it? It's catastrophe. Final two. Let's see how you do with these impossible words. The next word is hemorrhage. A brain hemorrhage is bleeding within the brain that requires immediate medical attention. This is a tricky one. It's hemorrhage. Last word is ebullient. Someone who is ebullient is very lively, enthusiastic, and happy. Did you get it? It's ebullient. Your ebullient spirit truly shines. Congrats on finishing this challenge. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new challenge. Got a subject that's giving you trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll make a video to help you out. Thanks for watching.